What's up everyone, I'm Nikhil from Greedytech and this is the speed test between OPPO A3s and the Redmi Note 5. Now these are the specifications of both phones. Now OPPO A3s sports a Snapdragon 450 processor with Adreno 506 GPU, while Redmi Note 5 sports a Snapdragon 625 processor with Adreno 506 GPU. These are the benchmark scores. Purely based on benchmark scores, Redmi is definitely better than OPPO, so let's see how they perform side by side. Now for the first speed test, I'll open the first 12 applications on both phones at the same time and you can see which phone opens them faster and how fast it actually is. By the way, both the phones are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, both phones are updated to the latest operating system, and all the apps have been updated to the latest version. So let's see how they perform. Throughout the speed test, Note 5 is noticeably faster than OPPO A3s. So Redmi Note 5 is the winner in the speed test. Now for the memory management test, I'll open the same set of apps in the reverse order to see if they are still in memory. If they are in memory, they should open in less than a second at the same place where I left them earlier. So let's see how both the phones perform. In the memory management round, Note 5 was able to keep more apps in memory. Even in terms of responsiveness, it was much faster. Memory management is good on OPPO, but it has only 2GB of RAM, so it can't keep more apps in memory. I know I've used the 4GB RAM variant of Redmi Note 5, but considering the price, it's pretty fair. Now for the final test, I'll open the last 4 games on both phones at the same time and you can see which phone opens them faster and how fast it actually is. While opening games, Note 5 was once again noticeably faster than OPPO A3s. So guys, to wrap it up, Redmi Note 5 is the winner when it comes to performance and memory management. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. What's your take on the speed test and the memory management test? Do let me know by commenting below this video, and if you're planning to buy this phone, use the link in the description, it really helps the channel. If you want us to make any specific video, tweet out to us with the hashtag AskGreedyTech on Twitter and we will try to make it as soon as possible. I'm Nikhil from Greedytech signing off. Have a nice day.